Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Norwex cleaning is probably one of the most innovative approaches to home care, promising a healthier and more sustainable way to clean. This video will dive deep into the world of Norwex, exploring their range of products designed to reduce your reliance on harsh chemicals. We'll explore how these microfiber cloths and cleaning solutions can transform your cleaning routine, making it both effective and eco-friendly. Get ready to discover a cleaner, greener way to maintain your home. Number 5. Norwex Microfiber Dusting Mitt, Blue. This is the Norwex Dusting Mitt. It's designed to make dusting easier. You can use it to clean many surfaces in your home. The mitt has a soft, terry cloth-like texture. This allows it to grab dust and polish surfaces without any chemicals. It's gentle yet effective. This mitt is perfect for cleaning mini blinds, plants, coffee tables, screens, and other hard-to-reach areas. It's a versatile tool for your cleaning needs. You can use the mitt wet or dry, depending on the surface and the type of cleaning you're doing. It's flexible and adaptable to your needs. It quickly and easily picks up dust from all surfaces, leaving your home cleaner. It's a simple way to keep your home tidy. The mitt is a convenient size, making it easy to handle and store. It's designed for comfort and efficiency. What we like. This mitt's soft texture allows you to dust and polish without any chemicals. It's perfect for mini blinds, plants, and screens. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to keep your home clean without harsh chemicals, you should definitely consider this. What people say. It actually does a great job with little effort. This mitt makes dusting almost fun, because it gathers the dust rather than just pushing it around or into the air. This dusting mitt allows you to easily not only dust smooth surfaces, but also easily dusts off chair legs, rocking chair panels and railings but just cupping your hand around the item. Number 4. Norwex EnviroSponges, Pack of 2. Introducing the Norwex EnviroSponges. This amazing sponge has 2 sides for all your cleaning needs. It's designed to tackle tough messes with ease. One side of the sponge is designed to scrub away those hard-to-remove stains. Whether it's stuck on food or grime, it will make the job easier. You'll be amazed at how effective it is. The other side features a soft microfiber material. This side is perfect for cleaning up spills and other messes. It's gentle yet absorbent, making it ideal for various surfaces. These sponges are excellent for scrubbing soap scum, hard water deposits, mildew stains, and burnt-on spills. It's a versatile tool for your cleaning arsenal. It will make your cleaning tasks much easier. The Norwex EnviroSponges come in a convenient 2-pack. You can keep one in the kitchen and one in the bathroom. It's the perfect solution for keeping your home clean. What we like. These sponges have a dual-sided design, with one side for scrubbing and the other for absorbing. They are excellent for tackling tough stains and messes. If you have a busy kitchen or bathroom and want a convenient and effective cleaning solution, you should choose these. What people say. They work really well and clean perfectly. They are antibacterial and never have an odor like regular sponges often get, nor do they have a mold color like regular sponges. They are sturdy and last a long time. Number 3. Norwex Counter Cloths, Set of 3. These cloths come in a set of 3, featuring the colors sea mist, navy, and teal. They are designed to be both functional and stylish, perfect for any kitchen. Each cloth is conveniently sized, being half the size of a standard paper towel. This makes it easy to handle and store, while still providing excellent cleaning power. The color options, sea mist, navy, and teal, are designed to match any decor. They add a touch of elegance to your kitchen while being highly effective. These cloths are designed to clean surfaces effectively. They are a great alternative to paper towels, helping you reduce waste. These cloths are made with Norwex quality. They are durable and designed to last, providing a long-term cleaning solution for your home. What we like. These cloths are half the size of a paper towel, making them perfect for quick cleanups. The color options match any decor and look great too. If you like a sustainable and stylish alternative to paper towels, you should consider these. What people say. These are the perfect size and do the perfect job. Highly recommend these. I have them in my kitchen and in all my bathrooms. Great little cleaning and polishing cloths. Works great for cleaning stainless steel and my glass top oven with hardly any effort. I love Norwex. Great products that really work. Number 2. Norwex Suede Makeup Remover Cloth Set, 3-pack. Introducing the Norwex Suede Makeup Remover Cloth Set. This set includes 3 cloths in blue, purple, and green. They are designed to gently remove makeup, leaving your skin feeling clean and refreshed. These cloths are perfect for those with irritated, mature, or sensitive skin. The soft suede material is gentle on the skin. It helps to effectively remove makeup without harsh chemicals. The cloths are reusable, making them an eco-friendly alternative to disposable makeup wipes. Simply wash them after each use. They are a sustainable choice for your beauty routine. Using the cloths is simple. Just wet the cloth with warm water and gently wipe away your makeup. The cloths effectively remove all traces of makeup. It leaves your skin clean and ready for your skincare routine. The set comes with 3 cloths in different colors. You can use them for different purposes. It's a convenient and effective way to remove makeup. What we like. This set is perfect for irritated, mature, and sensitive skin. It gently removes makeup without harsh chemicals. If you have sensitive skin and want a gentle and effective makeup removal solution, you should consider it. What people say. They remove all my makeup with only water. Really work with just water. These are the only face clothes I have ever had that completely remove mascara with no effort. Number 1. Norwex Basic Package, Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. This package includes 2 essential microfiber cloths. They are designed to make your cleaning easier and more effective. The cloths are made of high-quality microfiber. This material is known for its superior cleaning ability, capturing dirt and grime effectively. The cloths are designed with antibacterial properties. This helps to keep your home clean and hygienic. This cloth is perfect for cleaning glass and windows. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean without streaks. This cloth is great for dusting around the house. It attracts and traps dust, making your home cleaner. The package includes a blue EnviroCloth and a purple window cloth. They are color-coded for easy identification and use. What we like. This package includes 2 microfiber cloths for cleaning glass and dusting. They are designed to provide streak-free cleaning. If you want a complete and effective cleaning solution for your home, you should consider this. What people say. These cloths are amazing. My quartz countertops look brand new every time I wipe them down. Anything you clean will look brand new. The one for mirrors and glass do the job beautifully, even cleans up stainless steel with no streaks. I have tried everything to clean my stainless steel appliances and everything left the appliances looking streaked. My neighbor had a Norwex party, which I did not attend, but I bought the blue household cloth. It is amazing. Now, I simply wipe the appliances down with a damp cloth and dry with the blue one. Easy peasy and no streaks. The window cloth also works great. These towels work great, my windows are clear and streak-proof. I even use them on my glasses for reading. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.